So what happened is the fire, there's something going on the north side. I seen the emergency vehicle go by my place. And usually the small emergency vehicle goes first, then the big fire truck follow after. And from what I gather, this truck was going, the fire truck hit this car. This car just flew. And nobody got hurt, but my God, it's taking a lot of time for the cops and the ambulance to come here. I mean, this happened maybe 15 minutes ago. Somebody's going to tell me to get lost pretty damn quick. Wow. Send it to CTV. What time is it? 25 after 10.
Did you have to see it?
No, no. From what I gathered, the fire truck hit it, and then he flew here. Nobody hurt, I guess. Boy, it's taking a long time for the ambulance. Except for the other car. Bill, did you find out that the fire truck went to the red light? I got the video on. That? You gotta read my blog.
I don't know how to get into it.
You go to Google, you write both.
Seriously? You took me off your fucking blog.
Huh?
You took me off your blog.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You mean Facebook?
Yeah.
Why gotta take you off Facebook?
Because you said I was a fucking, a scam or something. Or a hacker or a, I don't know. What do you call those things on Facebook? Yeah.
And send me a friend request.
Okay.
Send me a friend request.
Yeah.
What's your full name again?
Nancy.
Yeah. Nancy, what?
Yes.
Yeah. Send me a request. just like the old days where we had scanners.
Let's call the scanners away.
Yeah, send me a request.
Yeah, I will remember.
You're missing all the action. I have about 1,500 people there, so maybe I misunderstood. It's starting to rain anyway.
Yeah.